Namaste student. Today we are going to see how to compare the fractions, two different fractions, that means like fraction or unlike fraction. So first we are going to see for like fraction. So here we have two rule for like fraction. Like if I'll give you 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. Now if I'll ask you compare these two, which one is bigger? So we can see that the rule number 1 says that among two fraction, there is a two fraction with the same denominator. Here the denominator is same, the one with the greater numerator. Now you can see that which is greater. This is your numerator and this is your numerator. Now which is greater? This one is greater, is the greater of the two. This means this. That means what they are saying, that you take 4 by 5 and you take 7 by 5. Your first target to see that denominator is same or not. If denominator is same, now you need to check that numerator. Now compare the numerator. Here the numerator is 4 and here the numerator is 7. Now can you guess which is bigger? Yes, 7 is bigger. That means this side 7 by 5 is bigger than this one or greater than 4 by 5. We take another number. Let's take 71 by 21 and we'll take 105 by 21. Now can you guess which is bigger? Yes, denominator is same. Now you check with the numerator that which is bigger. Yes, 105 is bigger than or greater than 71. So we can say that 105 by 21 is greater than 71 by 21. This is one rule of like fraction. Now let's proceed for another rule for like fraction. Okay. Now instead of your denominator same, if your numerator are same, then what will happen? Like if I'll take 4 by 3 and 4 by 2, you can see that just I have reversed the number. 3 by 4, I have reversed it 4 by 3, and here 2 by 4, I have reversed it 4 by 2. Now you can see that numerator are equal here, means same here. Now how could you compare this type of fraction where numerator are equal? Let's see the rule number 2. What says? Among two fraction with the same numerator, the one with the smaller denominator is the greater of the two. Okay, what you need to do, you need to check that which one is smaller at denominator if your numerator are same. Now your 2 is smaller than 3, that means 4 by 2 is bigger than 4 by 3. Now we take another one like 5 by 21 and 5 by 37. Could you guess which is bigger or which is greater? Yes, like your numerator are same, you need to see that the denominator which is smaller, here denominator is which one is smaller? 21 is smaller. That means 5 by 21 is bigger. Instead of this one, if I'll give the question that 21 by 5 and 37 by 5, and I'll ask you that which is bigger, will you say this one? No. Here the rule is 1 we're going to apply here. Why? Because your denominator are same. If denominator are same, we'll see the numerator which is bigger. So your 37 is bigger than 21, so we'll take 37 by 5 is greater than 21 by 5. These are the rule for your like fraction. Now question will arise, so for unlike fraction, what method we're going to apply? Can I apply these two method what we have applied for like fraction? No, we cannot apply. So here we have two method. You can see one is method of cross multiplication. This is our target, we're going to learn this one. And another is method of converting the given fraction into like fraction. I hope that in the last class you have seen how to convert the given fraction into like fraction. Let's see here the last class problem. So you can see that 2 by 3 and 5 by 7 we have taken. We have found here the LCM, that is 21. We have converted the unlike fraction into like fraction. Now what you can see that after getting like fraction, this become your rule number 1, that among two fraction with the same denominator. So you can see that here the denominator are same. Now you need to check which is bigger. Yes, 15 is bigger. That means you can say that this means 15 by 21 is bigger. 15 by 21 is greater than your 14 by 21. So 15 by 21 is what? 15 by 21 is 5 by 7. That means 5 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3. This is the method of what? Converting the given fraction into like fraction. Okay. Now the next will be what? Cross multiplication method. So how will you going to use this method to compare two fractions? It's a very important, very easy and shortcut method. Let's learn how to using cross multiplication method. So let's try to understand cross multiplication method. Here you take a by b, one fraction, another is c by d. Now you multiply this part and this part. Okay, that means AD, and you will get BC, another one. Okay, BC. So three cases will arise. What? That A into D will be greater than B into C, or A into D less than B into C, or A into D equals to B into C. Take this one as case 1, this one as case 2, and this one as case 3. If case 1 arises, then you can conclude that if AD is greater than BC, then you can say that A by B is greater than C by D. This is cross multiplication method. If AD is less than BC, then you can conclude that A by B less than C by D. And for this one, third case, A by B equals to C by D. This is the rule for cross multiplication method. Let's try to understand with the help of example. Now question may be asked, compare 2 by 3 and 6 by 7. Okay, how are we going to do? Let's take, we have 2 by 3 semicolon 6 by 7 right here by cross multiplication method. So here cross multiplication method means you need to multiply 2 into 7. So 2 into 7 you are getting 14. And next you have to multiply 3 into 6. 3 into 6 you are getting 18. As this was your A, if you compare, this is your A and this is your B. So you can see that here, and this is your C and this is your D. If AD is greater, then we can say that this is bigger. But here your second case arises. So you can see that 3 into 6, that is 18, is greater. So therefore you can say that since 18 is greater than 14, therefore you can say that 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3. This is one method you can solve it. Or you can compare by using method of converting the given fraction into like fraction. Let's solve this problem using this method. Okay, 2 by 3 and 6 by 7. So we have 2 by 3, 6 by 7. First target, find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Therefore we can write 2 by 3 equals to what? 2 by 3 into 7 by 7 will get 14 by 21. And if we'll take 6 by 7, we can take 3 by 3, we'll get 18 by 21. Now if we compare, you can see that 14 by 21 is less than 18 by 21, and 18 by 21 is what? 6 by 7, which is greater than 2 by 3. This is your answer. Okay, thank you.